Welcome back to Budget Smart Home Guide, your go-to channel for affordable tech solutions and smart home tips. In today's video, we're sharing 10 genius smart home hacks for renters. No drilling, no damage, and totally landlord approved. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Peel and stick smart light switches. First up, upgrade your lighting without rewiring. Peel and stick. Lutron. Aurora smart light dimmers attach right over your existing switch. No drilling, no damage, just instant smart lighting control. Number 9. Plug-in smart plugs. Transform any outlet into a smart one with Kasa Smart Plugs. These are perfect for controlling lamps, fans, or even your coffee maker, all without permanent changes. Number 8. Portable smart doorbells. Want to boost security? The Ring Peephole Cam is perfect for renters. It installs without screws and offers HD video, motion detection, and two-way audio. Take it with you when you move. Number 7. Smart Curtain Controllers. Automate your curtains with the SwitchBot Curtain Smart Controller. It clips onto your existing rods, giving you motorized control with zero hassle. Perfect for renters who love convenience. Number 6. Adhesive Smart Light Strips. Add ambiance to any room with Philips Hue Lightstrips. These adhesive LED strips are easy to install and remove, letting you customize your lighting setup without leaving a mark. Number 5. Portable Smart Air Purifiers. Let's talk about clean air. The Levoit Core 300 Smart Air Purifier is perfect for renters. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any room while quietly improving air quality. Plus, with Smart App Control, you can monitor air quality, set timers, and adjust fan speeds, all from your phone. It's not just an air purifier, it's peace of mind. Number 4. Non-drill smart security cameras. Keep your rental secure with the Arlo Pro 4 security camera. No mounting needed. Just place it on a flat surface and monitor your home from anywhere. Number 3. Smart speakers with voice control. Add voice control to your rental with an Echo Dot or Google Nest Mini. These compact smart speakers are perfect for controlling devices, playing music, or even answering your questions. Number 2. Temporary smart thermostat adapters. If your landlord doesn't allow thermostat upgrades, try the Sensibo Sky Smart AC Controller. It works with your existing unit to give you temperature control without any permanent changes. Before we wrap up, a quick note. This video contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Supporting the channel through these links helps us create more content like this at no extra cost to you. Number 1. Adhesive Smart Wall Panels. Finally, make your rental look amazing with Nanoleaf Shapes Smart Panels. These adhesive light panels are easy to install and remove, letting you create stunning wall art that doubles as smart lighting. Who says you can't have a smart home in a rental? With these 10 hacks, you can enjoy all the benefits of smart technology without making permanent changes. Which hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more renter-friendly tips. See you again soon.